Hi guys. So I was trying to figure out a way that I could have my dogs in the garage with me without having them wander off while still having the door open. I know. So I have two Basset Hounds. You've seen them in some of my videos probably if you've been watching for a long time. From time to time they might walk through the garage or be there while I'm recording something. Usually I have to have the door closed, which creates a lot of echo, so I don't generally do videos when I have them out here, but I have them out here quite a bit. So I picked this thing up. This is from Amazon. The brand name was like Kid Cousin or something like that. I'll post the link in the description, but it was like 125 bucks, 140 bucks, something along those lines. So not incredibly cheap, but not incredibly expensive either. And this is what they call a driveway net. And it says specifically on it that it is not to contain children or pets. I would assume they don't want the liability of having to worry about that. But I think that it's going to work fine for me because I have Basset Hounds and they're pretty low energy and they're not going to just, we'll say, plow through something in most cases. So it is a 25-foot long retractable net and it's like 30 inches tall. So we're going to get this installed. In the kit you get the unit itself and you get two pieces of 3/4 inch PVC that are about this long. Over here I've got dirt on this side of the garage. So I just drilled it out with a 1-inch paddle bit, an older paddle bit, and then I hit this in with a hammer. So I have it stuck in the ground right here, and this is just gonna kind of go into place. And they recommend that you put it at a bit of an angle, which I did. So that is there. On the other side, I've got a concrete driveway. So I have these concrete drill bits that I picked up from Milwaukee. They're carbide hammer drill bits. It's a 7-pack and it goes from 1/8 all the way up to 1/2. So I'm just going to kind of step this up, step this up, step this up. And then at the end, I've got this 3/4 inch. I think this is an Irwin or a Bosch. It's blue, so I assume it's one or the other. And I'm going to use that at the end to make the hole as big as it needs to be. The 3/4 inch PVC has a 3/4 internal, so I just won't use the PVC on this side. These bits are really nice though. Alright, so now like I mentioned, this isn't for dogs specifically, but my thought was that I could actually put a small ring or something like that here to hold this to the house if I needed to. But reasonably, they're not going to slip behind here anyway. So let me go get them. Come on. All right, so that is Baxter and that is Bailey. Baxter's right here. This is Bailey and they are Basset Hounds. He is 6, she is 5. We've had them for their whole lives. So this net I can step over without much of a problem. All right, so there we are. Now, is it going to keep my dogs from being able to leave? No. Is it going to keep me from having to chase them down the driveway every 4 minutes? Yes. So I will let you guys know how this holds up. This video will be posted. Today is April 14th. So this video will probably be posted mid-May, and I'll put a comment down below as to how it's doing or an update right after I'm talking right now. So I would say that this is successful. You can see the dogs are chilling in the garage. Now clearly this net isn't going to keep somebody who wants to wander off from wandering off. They can both pick it up with their nose and walk underneath it. But if you've got a dog that's generally well behaved and just needs some advice in staying in the area that it's supposed to be in, I think that this could be a good option for you. So you'll see more of these two in my upcoming videos because of this. And you'll hear less of them whining at the door because they want to come hang out with me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.